When the fall weather is pleasant, it's tempting to keep growing your summer annuals. But when cold temperatures strike, these plants, like this butterfly weed, need to be replaced. Let's take a look at how my top 4 cool season annuals handle cold temperatures. I think matrix pansies are some of the toughest annuals for the cool season. There is a huge range of colors and styles. Flowers have attractive dark blotches of a more traditional pansy, but there are selections that are called clear without the blotch. Sonnet snapdragons are one of my personal favorites. They have a wide variety of colors, including red, orange, yellow, and white. The plants produce multiple tall flower spikes, which make them a perfect choice for enjoying as cut flowers. I make a point to plant Sorbet Violas every year. When massed, they seem to cover the landscape with a floral blanket. The best aspect of this flower is that the color selection seems absolutely endless. These colorful flowers are displayed above the foliage to really show off. Telstar Dianthus is another cool season favorite. Flower colors include carmine rose, pink, white, and bicolor picotees. The flowers have a fringed margin and dainty floral fragrance. Low temperatures will nip the flowers of these plants, but once it gets a little warmer, the flowering will get revved up again. Now, the best time to plant your cool season annuals is in October, so mark that on your gardening calendar for next year. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.